Here are 4 tried and true ways to boost your tip income as a ski instructor this season. At number 1, we got pictures and views. If you take a picture of your clients in front of a nice view, anywhere from the bunny hill to the top of the mountain, your guests will remember you for it and they'll appreciate you for it, building an emotional connection between you, the client, and the mountain, and they'll remember you longer for that and appreciate you. At number 2, we have goodie bags. Giving each student a goodie bag at the end of the day can give you a chance to emotionally connect with your student, and you can add hand warmers, chocolate, a trail map in there, get them ready for their next adventure if they're out on the mountain without you. You can also give them feedback via letters. You can do handwritten letters that you just write out during lunch. It can be just a few sentences, and you can provide feedback and appreciation on the kids' skiing and behavior, and also leave your contact information in there. At number 3, we have parent-to-parent contact. If 2 students in your group lesson are getting along and want to ski together, get their parents in contact with each other. They'll remember who put them in contact with each other. That's something that's easy to remember. And if they have the goodie bag, they'll have your information forever. This is a good way to make skiing feel like more of a community experience and a social endeavor to newcomers of the sport, and gets you remembered in the process. And number 4, finally, is a little bit sly, but it works quite well. It's holding cash at the end of a lesson. When you're talking to parents at the end of the lesson at the child pickup, if you're holding cash in your hand, it's a subtle reminder that you are taking tips. And if you hold a $20 bill, don't hold a $100 bill, but hold a small bill in your hand, and it'll give people an idea of about how much to tip. So thanks for watching, guys. That was my 4 ways to make more tips as a ski instructor this season. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if I missed any tips that have made you some money, and we'll share the knowledge. Like and subscribe.